All right, Julia, why don't you pick the next blank and tell us about that? So you're picking number 9. And what does number 9 represent? The axis of symmetry, okay. And what does the axis of symmetry do? Okay, cuts it in half, good. Alright. Excellent, alright. The axis of symmetry cuts a parabola in half. Okay? Fourth thing. Why don't you do the next one? Just pick a blank and fill it in. You can move this if you need to. All right, an x-intercept. What is an x-intercept? The point where it crosses the x-axis, that's right. That's what an x-intercept is. Okay? And you'll notice that there are 2 x-intercepts, okay? That's good. All right? Now, if you'll notice, the x-intercepts have more than one line associated with it. So, who can tell me or come up and put another name for the x-intercept? Dylan, can you do that? All right, roots. Okay, another name for the x-intercept would be the roots. Okay, so we got x-intercepts, we got roots, and there's another blank or something associated with the x-intercept. What would that be? Haley? All right, a 0, exactly. So the x-intercept is the root. It's the 0. And we have 2 blanks that have x-intercept, but there is another term associated with the x-intercept. What is the last term associated with the x-intercept? Somebody thinks they know that? Iman, do you think you know it? No? Who else? You know it? No? Ashley, do you know it? We got 0, we got roots, we got x-intercept.
I got 1. Wait,
Huh?
I know 1.
What is it?
Well, not number 1, but
What's one of them? I'll write it down for us.
number 7 is axis of symmetry, right?
Are you sure?
Wait, no, because I didn't see what number 7 was pointing at. I thought it was pointing at the line.
That's okay.
You see?
I see it. That's an honest
So I'm
mistake.
not tripping, but like, yeah,
Are you sure?
I promise.
Alright. Okay, so we got x-intercept, we got 0, we got roots. Alright, so we've used vertex, axis of symmetry, x-intercept, roots, and 0. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 options left. So what other word here would represent the x-intercept? Solution, right? Very good. Okay. What's the y-intercept? What number would that be?
1.
Number 1. And what's the y-intercept represent?
Where it crosses the y.
Where it crosses the y-axis. Very good. Now, there's 2 new terms that we have never seen before. And they are Number 7, this is called the focus. And then the last one is a directrix, which would be number 4. And we're going to talk about these later when we graph some conics. Okay, so there's 2 types of parabolas that we're going to graph. One parabola is used to represent objects in motion. That'd just be your standard parabola. And then we have the 3-dimensional parabolas like a satellite dish. That we're going to learn how to graph those. And they use the focus and the directrix. So we'll talk more about what those 2 terms mean later on when we graph the 3-dimensional parabolas. Okay?